You are tuned in to the Accessories International Tips and Tricks series for your DMP Android screens. We are a dealer for all DMP Android screens, and we are based in the United States. We make help videos on how to get everything set up optimally on your screen so that it is running the way that it should be. Now today we're going to be addressing a very commonly asked question. You're not getting any sound coming from your screen. So we head to our music. We want to play a song, and it is playing. We have our volume turned up, but we're not getting any sound. So what's going on? Well, today we have 4 different solutions that we're going to try for you. And the first very commonly seen one is your auxiliary cord is not plugged in. You have an auxiliary cord that runs from the radio down into your center console, and if this is not plugged in, you're not going to get any sound. So we'll plug this sucker in, excuse me using one hand here, and as soon as we get that plugged in, there's our music. That's solution number 1. Solution number 2, head over to your NTG menu. Once we're here, you want to go into audio there on the top, and you have to make sure that you have aux selected. If you're in Bluetooth mode or media interface, your music will not play. You have to be in aux mode. You head back in, and now the music will work. Now our third possible solution for no audio. You followed step 2, you came here and you made sure you were in aux mode. Now sometimes, depending on your screen's settings, your car may be changing you from aux mode into Bluetooth audio or media interface or any of these other selections. So what that means, even though you manually change it yourself and then you come back into the Android screen, along that period of time, your car is switching the mode on its own. So in order to prevent that from happening, we head over to our settings. We go down to factory. Passcode 190627. That's the code for most cars. If yours is different, feel free to contact us. We may be able to help. Or if you purchased your screen from us, we will be able to help. Now here on the left, function, we go into vehicle. That's the option we want to be in. And you see aux switching modes. You want to make sure you set that to manual. If it's on automatic, then your screen may start changing things on its own. If it's in manual, you shouldn't have that problem. And once you're there, you should be good to go. Now, if none of these solutions have worked for you, we have one more that's going to be a little bit more complex. This actually happened to me when I initially got my screen, so I did have to take these steps and do this, but it did solve the problem. So within the actual stereo, it's next to the wiring harness, you have what we call the auxiliary box. Now this auxiliary box looks like a fuse box. It's a little black plastic box, and you can open this up. Now within that box, you have to have this connection being made. If there is a loose wire inside of that box, then you're not going to be getting any sound out of your stereo. So if all of these steps have been followed and you still aren't getting any sound, make sure to open up that stereo and take a look in there, see if that auxiliary box is connected or disconnected, because that may be causing an issue. Now guys, thank you so much for tuning in. We hope this video was able to help solve your issues. Now if you have any other questions, please feel free to call us at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex at Accessories International, and we will see you next time.